Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to use Craiyon Search Feature. Looking to explore the vast world of AI-generated images on Crayon? Let's dive into how you can effortlessly navigate the Craiyon Search Feature. Start by launching your browser and visiting the Crayon website at crayon.com. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will find the search option. Give it a tap. Here's where the magic happens. In the search bar, you can input any keywords that describe the images you are seeking within the Crayon database. Let's say you are in the mood for abstract painting of bridges. After entering your search query, simply hit the search button. The results will populate, and you can browse through the array of AI-generated images that match your search. Once you have found an image that captivates you, click on it to view it in full detail. To keep the magic alive, you have the option to save the image for your collection. With Crayon Search, exploring and discovering stunning AI artworks has never been easier. Immerse yourself in a world of limitless creativity today. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.